So good day, sir. I'm Midshipman Busano, Section Dito Alpha. So I'm gonna discuss about the compartmentation and how this affects water, weight, and integrity. Compartmentation refers to the division of a ship hull into separate water weight section using the bulkhead and deck. Each compartment designed to be a shield o from others. So, ang compartmentation series is act like a safety barrier system inside the ship. It prevents damage on one area from spreading, helping keep the vessel float and stable. So, how compartmentation affects waterway integrity? So, waterway integrity is the ship's ability to prevent water from entering and spreading inside the vessel. Compartmentation plays a major role in maintaining this. Ang una sir is limit flooding. If one compartment is damaged, hull or breach, only that section floods while other remain dry. This prevents the entire ship from filling the water. So, ang limit flooding sir is mo stop water spreading sa uban mga hull. So, ang kadua is improve stability. By confining water to a small area, the ship maintains better balance and avoid excessive listing or capsizing. So, ang improved stability sir is keep the ship balance and prevent tipping over. So ang kaning improved stability sir imuro ta sa og nanay kailangan ang ship is balance and di siya matumba sir. Thank you.
And safety crew and passenger have more time to respond. The damage control evacuation because flooding is slow down. Support damage control. Water tank door and hatches can be closed to insulate effective compartment and stop and spread of water. Maintain buoyancy even if some compartments are flooded intact compartments still provide enough buoyancy to keep the ship afloat.